Hey yo, what's poppin'? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Pretty Boy Rob and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For this video, we got the newest collaboration with Bricks and Woods and New Balance on these 1906 utilities. And as you can see, these things are toasted. That's why we're gonna use our patent sneaker laundry system that's found in our signature shoe cleaning kit to get some great results and really flush these things out. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, our cleaning station is all prepped for that good old side-by-side comparison. Gonna grab this left shoe and set it aside. And for the sake of this video, we're only gonna be focusing on the right pair. But with that said, before we get this cleaning party popping off, I wanna talk to you guys a little bit about this sneaker. As I said in the intro, this is a Bricks and Woods collaboration. They have several notable collaborations with New Balance in the past. Personally, my favorite has to be those 5740s. But let us know in the comment section down below what your favorite collaboration with Bricks and Woods and New Balance is. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. So here I go. All right, now that we got our shoe tree in, it's gonna allow me to have a nice hard toe box so I can apply as much pressure as I need to during this cleaning process. Plus, it's gonna help keep the shape and form and integrity of the sneaker while it's in the washing machine. Right now, rather than starting with a soft brush and dipping in the solution in water and start cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off as much of this loose dirt and mud as possible. All right, looks like I'm making a mess on this mat already, so I might as well just step outside and really bang off all this dirt, and then we'll come back, clean up this mat so I'm not making a muddy, murky mess before we really start the cleaning. So let's go. All right, we're back from outside. We're able to kick off all that fake dirt that we picked up from the fake dirt store. Nah, but for on a serious note, you guys stay adding us in the comments. Yo, that's fake. You got the shoe dirty on purpose. But then when we have a realistic shoe that has, minor staining throughout the shoe, you guys are adding us again, saying that shoe's not even dirty. Let's see a real challenge. So why don't you guys do us a solid? Drop a comment down below and let us know exactly how you want us to dirty a shoe. And we might do that in a video, dirty it your way and give you a shout out. But with that said, let's take care of these uppers with our Soft Bristle Brush. All right, guys, we always recommend starting with our Soft Bristle Brush because it's just gonna generate the most bubbles and get the party going. As you can see, it's safe on these mesh uppers as well as any other materials such as leather, suede, canvas, nubuck, I mean, you name it. Another great thing about this Soft Bristle Brush is it's super soft and delicate. As you can see, I was able to dry brush this sneaker and get all that loose dirt off without fraying or snagging this material. All right, guys, I'm all done with that first pass over using our Soft Bristle Brush. I did use a microfiber towel just to wipe off all those suds to see what type of deeper stains I'm working with. Since all that dirt is off, I'm actually able to see how crazy and vibrant this shoe is. One thing I want to point out is this butterfly silhouette on the tongue. The reason for that is because this sneaker is actually dubbed the evolution of the butterfly. Pretty much this sneaker consists of an all mesh upper with leather overlays, pretty much in a vibrant ombre effect. You got some pinks, yellows, greens. Overall, I'm a fan of the shoe. But right now I can proceed with our medium bristle brush. I'm gonna take care of these uppers on some of those deeper stains plus the midsole. So let's get it, let's go. Our medium bristle brush is a great all-purpose brush and will work on most materials. However, since this does have a mesh upper, I am just brushing in one direction to avoid any fraying or snagging of that material. All right, we're all done with the medium bristle brush. Go ahead and get that racked up. Right now, I'm gonna proceed with the stiff bristle brush. Really take care of this midsole and outsole. The stiff bristle brush is the ideal brush to take care of your outsoles. Whether you got grass, gum, dog poo, or whatever on your outsoles, our stiff bristle brush will get the job done. All right, just like that, we are breezing through this clean. We are all done with the uppers, midsoles, and outsoles. I wanna highlight, if you have this sneaker at home, there is a good chance you can just stop at this step. The reason why we're showcasing our laundry system is because we just have a lot of trapped in dirt and mud all throughout this mesh, even inside our sock liner, so the laundry system is gonna fully flush that out. With that said, let's just go ahead and grab our sneaker laundry bag. I'm gonna insert it inside the bag like so. grab our shoelaces. We'll get those in there as well. All right, but right now we just got to go ahead and drop these off in the washing machine. When washing your sneakers in the washing machine, make sure you guys use cold water and a normal cycle. You can't forget the Reshoevn8r Sneaker Laundry Detergent. And just like that, we are back. We got our bricks and wood New Balances, and they are looking clean as can be. This is just one example of a dope sneaker that New Balance has dropped, but in 2024, they have been the wave. Several huge collaborators. I'm talking about Joe Freshgood, Amine, Action Bronson, Kith, Salahim Beberi, and more, plus a handful of fire general release colorways. Let us know in the comment section down below what your favorite New Balance release of 2024 is. But with that said, time to get these things laced up. All right, there it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these New Balance X Brick and Wood, the evolution of a butterfly. But let's go ahead and bring in the dirtiest shoe so you can see the evolution of this cleaning. As you can see with that side-by-side comparison, we got some amazing results. You can get results just like this by copying your very own signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Also available at Reshoevn8r.com, we just relaunched our display cases. So if you're looking to build the highest quality display set on the market, Reshoevn8r.com, you know we got you. For those of you guys who've been hanging out for the whole video, I got an exclusive promo code I'm trying to lace y'all up with. That code's NewBalance20, but you gotta act fast because it's only good for the first 20 orders. Again, we appreciate y'all rocking with us. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll catch y'all in another one. Peace.